Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an advent calendar unboxing because we have one actually here from Bath & Body Works. So you guys know me and how much I love Bath & Body Works. I love to show you guys all the new things, and this is the advent calendar for this year. So I did do one last year. They came out with another advent calendar. It was their first one last year, but it was all gingham. So they did a whole advent calendar dedicated to the gingham scent. So I wasn't super excited about it. I unboxed it on my channel, and my one suggestion for them was to have like different products in it and not just one thing. So they kind of switched it up this year, but not by much. I know not many people are excited about this at all because it's really, aside from the packaging, it's not very Christmassy. So you guys will see what is inside. This should be available soon. I think they had it available early for rewards members on the app, so that's how I ordered mine, but it doesn't let me pull it up right now. But anyways, this is what the advent calendar looks like. It just says Merry Christmas, 12 days of Bath & Body Works favorites. And that's like the thickness of it, so it looks cute. It's like a little gift. The packaging is definitely on point. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into this, and I'll share what they included in their 12-day advent calendar. So this also, it does retail for $85, so it's pretty pricey. There is a picture. I already kind of knew what I was getting when I ordered this, but I still wanted to unbox it on camera for you to show you. But it's gonna include pretty much all minis, since you can't really fit mini full-size Bath & Body Works product in this kind of a small package. So I'm gonna take this beautiful ribbon off. We will start with number 1, which is over here. So number 1 is actually a perfume spray, and it is in the scent Dahlia. This is a classic Bath & Body Works favorite. This one came out, I think, last year. It's a gorgeous scent. It's floral, but it has some sweetness to it. It smells like a legit perfume. It's very strong, so that's awesome that we got it in the mini size perfume spray. This does retail for $12.50. In slot number 2, we have a mini fragrance mist. It does have the new packaging on it. And in this one, we got the mini size of Champagne Toast, another classic Bath & Body Works favorite that they have. They've had this for, it's been a while, like 4 years, maybe 4 or 5 years. And it's a really nice, like fruity, sweet, definitely a bubbly kind of scent. If you guys haven't tried it, I really enjoyed this one from Bath & Body Works. So excited to have that actually in the mini mist. Number 3, we have this Christmas tree here. This is another Champagne Toast, and we got it in the hand cream. I forgot to mention the fragrance mist retails for $8.50. You can usually get these on like a buy 2 get 1 deal. And then the hand cream we got in Champagne Toast as well. I actually needed a new hand cream. This is perfect. So that one retails for $7.50. Again, included usually in a buy 2 get 1. Number 4 is this stocking here, and we have another Champagne Toast in here, and they included the pocket back of Champagne Toast. This does retail for about $2 for that, but I didn't have this one in my collection, so we'll definitely use it. Number 5, we got a pocket back holder to put our Champagne Toast in. I feel like this actually matches with the pocket back as well, so that's really cute. We got the bling one. Here's like a up close. This retails for $5.95. It has like a rose gold little clip on. Moving on to number 6 over here, we have Into the Night. So a new scent. This is Into the Night Body Cream mini size, retails for $7.50. This is a great evening scent. I love this one for fall and winter. It gives like this almost warm and cozy, but also an elevated kind of perfume note to it. It's great for a night out. It's just very dark and mysterious, I suppose. It's really beautiful. So we did get Into the Night Body Cream. Number 7 is this Nutcracker here. And we got a room spray, it looks like. And guess what scent? Champagne Toast again. So we got a Champagne Toast room spray. I will say I do really enjoy this one in the room spray. It's just a nice scent that pretty much everyone loves, and you can use it all year round. Number 8 is like a little hot air balloon. And we got a new scent. And it is a little fragrance plug, and we got 1,000 Wishes in the fragrance plug. Another classic scent from them again. So it seems like they're putting all their signature scents in this holiday advent calendar. Retails for $7.50. I forgot to mention the room spray retails for $8.50. All right, I think we are on number 9. This is actually a big one, so we'll see what's in here. All right, so in this big door, we got a fragrance plug-in actually to go with our wallflower. So this one's really pretty too. It'll match pretty much any room, match with most decor. It's not super holiday-esque, so it should fit everyone, but it's a light up one, which is nice. This one retails for $10.50 for the fragrance plug. All right, moving on to number 10, we're at this candy cane here. And in here, we got an antibacterial hand spray. So this is a hand sanitizer, the spray version. This one is in 1,000 Wishes. I'm excited to have this one because I don't have this in the sanitizer, and it is a nice scent. This will be pretty strong and probably leave the scent on your hands for a while. So we did get that one. Number 11, where are we? We only have a couple more left. So we got Into the Night mini shower gel here. Really nice scent. Again, I love collecting the little minis for whenever I'm traveling. Again, I love this scent. This one is $6.50 retail. And then I think we're on the last one, number 12. And we actually have a candle inside. If I can get it out of this package, it is stuck in there. So our candle that we got is the, I think 8-ounce one. I think these are, or 7-ounce I should say, and we did get champagne toast again. So lots of champagne toast in this advent calendar. Smells amazing, so fruity and delicious. But yes, that one is the like smaller size candle, so it does have the 1 wick, but it would be crazy if they fit like a full size candle in here. But I'm happy with the mini one. This one retails for $14.50. So that is everything in the Bath & Body Works advent calendar. As you can see, this is not a great deal to buy, especially for these fragrances that they always carry. These are usually on some kind of a deal, and I feel like you're almost paying retail buying this advent calendar. It's kind of just for fun opening up. I feel like a lot goes into the packaging and stuff, and it's more of like a fun piece rather than getting a good deal. I find that with most advent calendars, they're just kind of for fun during the holiday season to have something to open up and be excited about as you count down to Christmas. And I have to say, I think, again, Bath & Body Works kind of failed with making like a good advent calendar because they did include such fun holiday packaging, but the scents are not really holiday scents. Like, I think it would be a lot better if they did include some more of their holiday traditions and did that, like with Vanilla Bean Noel, Winter Candy Apple, and Twisted Peppermint. I think that would be more appealing because it's like we're missing those scents and we want to get them in the advent calendar. Now, I know they released this a little bit early, so they don't really have those scents ready to go quite yet available online, but if they waited a little bit longer, they could have included that and any of their new scents that they're going to be releasing for the holiday season. So I think they kind of missed the mark again on this. I definitely could see this going on clearance or sale pretty soon because I don't think this is going to be something that is going to sell out, since we can buy these items usually in stores on a deal that you're probably going to save more buying them individually than buying them in here. So that's my thoughts on this. I still thought it would be fun to unbox and kind of show you what's inside, and I definitely will use all these products because they are classic scents. So maybe if you're more into the classics and you want something that's good for all year round, you would like these. But for me, I just don't think it's that great. If I wasn't making a video on this, I probably would never buy this. I saw some fun ideas too for advent calendars. They could really do so much more. I think they need to lower the price though. I think that's number one. It just seems very expensive for what you get because you kind of do want to get a good deal, but they could do like an all hand cream advent calendar, an all hand sanitizer advent calendar, and make it at a cheap price so we're still getting somewhat of a deal. I saw someone mention making a mini candle advent calendar with holiday scents, I think that's a really good idea too, just to kind of spice it up a bit and make it more fun. Even like fragrance mist is something that's super popular, and all fragrance mist of like all the holiday scents included that year in an advent calendar would be so cool. Just some fun ideas to mix it up, because I just think they always do the safe route with these. But it seems like the general products included were kind of similar to what we got last year, but last year was just gingham. Now we have a bunch of different scents, but it seems like it's pretty much champagne toast featured, into the night, and a little bit of 1,000 wishes. Not a lot at all, but anyways, that is it for this unboxing. Let me know your thoughts down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.